when possible. As you know, yung tulong po ninyo will be used to support the efforts namin to further yung conservation of Philippine media. And we'll make sure that every peso that you contributed to this cause will go with the grand conservation. Yun lang din ang pinagayang ng foundation. Parami na.
Si video lang yun siya. Video lang yun siya.
And again, sana marami pa tayong organize na ganyan. We hope later this year, I think we'll have another ride with youth. I hope you will join that ride. Thank you so much for participating.
Thank you, Mr. Dennis Salvador, Executive Director, BEF.
Thank you, sir.
I think we ended up with 451 riders. Give yourself a round of applause. 451. We were only targeting 300, but we went over by 151. Thanks to Colonel Pamoda, Director of Security, Marco Polo Davao.
Thank you so much, sir. Okay, so the moment you have been all been waiting for. So we will be giving out the minor prizes, and to help us draw. And to help us draw or pick the names of those lucky people, we'd like to ask Miss Andrea Baldonado, Fundraising Officer of the Philippine Eagle Foundation. Okay, so the first minor prize that we are going to give would be the 2-piece sets of accessory kit.
Tools, I think these are tools. John Benson tools. 2-piece accessory kit. John Benson tools. Like tools, I guess.
Okay, so we have here the super 5-piece bike accessory kit. So ito po yung mapapanalunan.
Minor ba yan? That looks major to me.
Diba? Hindi masyadong bongga.
Hindi masyadong
Ito lang yung
minor.
medyo minor na.
We have. Okay, let's see. Raffle number 120. 120.
Paki-check po yung mga rubber
So do you have your subs with you?
Yeah, please.
The name,
Dito na.
Rayson Bukol. Rayson Bukol. 120, Rayson Bukol. So, ano yun? Is that forfeited? Sorry. So if you're not here, we're not going to give you a prize.
Giant!
067, Roberto Biznar. Roberto Biznar, oh, he's right there. Okay.
The next prize will be a Shimano XPR.
Tool bag, it's a tool bag. Shimano XCR, not the group one, sorry. Shimano XCR tool bag, Janelle Paras. Janelle Paras. 224, ticket number 224.
Di ko nagawapan.
048, Edgar Allan Agor. Edgar Allan Agor. 048. There you go. Got a big round of applause for Edgar Allan. Thank you. Thank you, Salamat.
Okay, for our next prize, we have the helmet.
Rider helmet. R-Y-D-E-R. Rider helmet.
Ha?
Monica Ayala. Wala, umuwi na. Oh, she's right here. She's always here. She also won the last time. Thank you, Monica. Congratulations, Monica.
And next prize we have the tire leather.
Wala ni magibaba. Kana pa? Uloy? Stop, uloy?
Oh, wow. Okay, it's like when you get a flat tire, you take the tires out.
Lagi siya ko na kay
Tires Zenfal, so made in France, Zenfal. Vincent Morano. 106, Vincent. One more. Okay, one more. We got 016, Miguelito Hernandez. Miguelito Hernandez, are you here, Miguelito? Going once, twice, no Miguelito? Wala. 209, Edgar Go? Edgar Go. Edgar Go. Wala din? Oh, okay. Yes, sir. Right there. Thank you. Thank you.
Yang nga to kabukol untoy.
Tubes, so inner. I guess this is inner tubes. CST, inner tube. Salvador Paholio Jr. Paholio ba yun? Paholio Jr. Salvador, are you here? 389. Salvador Paholio. There you go. So, you get a flat tire, you have an inner tube replacement. Ooh, it's getting hot. Another one, another inner tube. CST, Johnny Wilson Lee.
I-continue mo din siya
422,
na.
Johnny Wilson Lee. Oh, he's here. Johnny Wilson Lee. Thank you. Dalawa pa. Two more of those inner tubes. Patrick Leonard Remorosa. Remorosa.
Lang bunot tong kabukol.
Patrick Leonard Remorosa. Are you here? Wala? Wala? Ito yun lang. Ito yun. Alan. Oh, nice. It looks like Lupe. 416, Alan Boy.